In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price of BZFD to do. Well, today we went down, unfortunately. Like, stuff like this happens, so it's not just that big of a thing. But we then went down around 4.59%. Just by looking at the chart, we can see that even just by looking at the daily chart, even weekly, this thing is in a kind of a bullish range. Why? Because we broke the structure up. Most recently, this was the weekly break. We have the demand. Just by looking at it, you can see we have this like little demand on the 2 hour time frame. This is where my predictions take place, and this is exactly what I was expecting the price to do. So you know how this actually just is in a bearish trend ever since 2021. You understand, right? This thing, I think that it just right now even shifted on the monthly, which you can see it actually happened. So this is a big thing for it, at least for me. The price, I'm expecting you to do this. Okay, I'm expecting the price to tap into a demand area, then deliver higher, or maybe just come even deeper into that demand area, and then from there on continue to deliver higher. Well, I'm just gonna leave it both like that.